Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel called Bomb Learning English. If you want to improve your knowledge of English, then you are not lost. In this channel, English is taught in Uzbek. If you don't understand Uzbek, don't worry, the video will be clear to you. We have a new project, Idiom lesson va sizlar bilan Iskandar Rafiqov. Video darslikni boshlashdan oldin sehrli so'zlarni aytaman. Kanalimizga obuna bo'lib, videoga like bosishingizni so'rab qolgan bo'lardim. Bu biz va siz uchun foydali bo'ladi albatta. Va biz darslikni boshladik. Let's go. Given idiom: to have one's heart set on. To have one's heart set on. Qaytaramiz. To have one's heart set on. Meaning, to really want something. Ya'ni, biror narsani juda ham xohlamoq, biror joyga borishni, biror nima qilishni, ko'rishni, yeyishni, shunga o'xshash. Juda ham ko'p ishlatiladigan iboralardan biri. English film va kinolarda, qo'shiqlarda bu ibora juda ko'p marotaba ishlatilgan. Bu iborani albatta oldin ko'rgan bo'lishingiz mumkin. Ammo tarjimasiga tushunmagan bo'lsangiz, endi bilib oldingiz. Yodlab olish va yaxshiroq tushunish uchun misollar keltiraman. Example: Iskandar has his heart set on going to Tashkent this weekend. Iskandar has his heart set on going to Tashkent this weekend. Ya'ni, Iskandar dam olish kunlari Toshkentga borishni juda ham xohlaydi degan ma'noda kelyapti. Siz bilgan uslub Iskandar really want going to Tashkent this weekend. Ibora bilan esa Iskandar has his heart set on going to Tashkent this weekend. Ikkala so'z ham bir xil ma'noni anglatadi. Bu misol tushunarli bo'lgan bo'lsa, men ikkinchi shaxsda bu iboradan foydalangan holda misol keltiraman. Example: Do you have your heart set on watching this video? Do you have your heart set on watching this video? Ya'ni, sen shu videoni ko'rishni juda ham xohlaysanmi? Do you really want watching this video? Yes, I do. I have my heart set on watching this video. Yes, I do. I have my heart set on watching this video. Birinchi shaxsda bu albatta. Iboralardan foydalanib gapirish albatta native speakerlar kabi gapirish imkoniyatini beradi. Menimcha bu ibora tushunarli bo'ldi. Ibora esdan chiqmaslik uchun bu iboradan foydalanib bir necha so'zlar tuzing va bundan foydalaning. Shunda mustahkam xotirada qoladi do'stlar. Video yoqqan bo'lsa, bu so'zni eshitishdan barcha zerikkan, ammo aytishim shart. Video yoqqan bo'lsa, videoga like bosib, o'z fikrlaringizni kommentariyada yozib qoldirishni va kanalimizga obuna bo'lishni unutmang do'stlar. Thank you for watching, guys. I always come back with you English idiom, vocabulary, phrasal verb, something useful for you in English language. See you next time. Bye bye. You are the best.